We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we discussed about we have been looking for this flat. That's why we mentioned we want the price to break and retest the previous low. Anyway, when the price was within this move, exactly here, we mentioned the best thing is if the price break the previous low before we get the reversal. But if we mention if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. And after that, we get this down move, most of the charts we get. All right, we didn't have any update. And again, to look for reversal, there was no trade setup unless anyone get a trade from here based on lower time frame, based on 15 minutes. Okay, that's mean the only way to look for trade if anyone get the trade from here. Rather than that, we didn't have any trade setup to look for buy, and whoever get the trade, move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade. If not, take out the trade because now we want to see the price can break and continue or not. Anyway, we move to daily chart. And again, based on daily chart, since the price was at the top, we mentioned we want the price to drop, and this is what we get. Almost the price retest the previous low. That means we're looking at this big correction. Any reversal, we can look for buy, but the only way is the way is dropping here makes better. We move to lower time frame forward chart. Okay. Based on forward chart, we see if we refer to the indicators as we can see the price broke the previous low, we have a divergence. But the question is whether we will be within this down move or the price can continue from here because we don't have any correction here to for confirmation. Even if we put our line just as an indicative, we see we are within this channel. That's why whoever get the trade within this move, they should know how to manage if they want to keep the trade. And even if you want to look for buy, we need to see the breakout confirmation, at least the price break the previous top. Then from there, if we get the trade setup, we can look for buy. That's why we need to be really careful. The best things, I mean, the best way to look for trade, whoever get the trade at the bottom of this, not the top, because it's still this one can turn to deeper correction. We want to see whether the price can break or not. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup yet. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, the only way we can look for trade if this one turns to a deeper correction. Then from there, we need to consider whether we can look for buy or not. How about if the price continue from here? If the price break the previous top, maybe if we get a correct flag or a small correction, we look for short-term trade. All right. But anyway, if we get, then from there we can look for. I mean, we can look for. I mean, we can analyze it the chart, but right now we don't have any trade set up here. And if anyone wants to look for trade, the best thing is we wait and get the continuation either with the deeper correction or with a sharp move to break the stop. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.